I think I bring to my role a new perspective as well as fresh ideas, considering I've recently graduated from university. I'm also involved with the Wahine Kotaitanga initiative at Downer, New Zealand, where we are looking to help support, empower, as well as retain women in the industry so that they can feel supported and that they have a clear vision of where they could go in a male-dominated industry. I'm excited to see how the rail industry can connect New Zealand, such as Singapore or Melbourne or Japan, where it provides easily accessible public transport for the communities. The best thing about the graduate program at Downer is that it provides the opportunity to rotate around the different business units to experience civil works, vertical construction works and utilities instead of just being in one space for your entire 2-year duration. I'm most proud of gaining some confidence. I started off pretty shy and reserved, but now that I'm starting to find my feet on the ground, my confidence has also built back up. If I was a Thomas the Tank Engine character, I'll probably be one of the reserved trains at the side. I don't know who else.